Today I will teach you how to do this green screen zoom effect. It's very easy and you can do it in just 4 to 5 minutes or less. So to do that you need a green screen image to be displayed on any displays or anything like a laptop screen, TV screen or any kind of screen. You just need a green image and that's it. To do, I have a sample. Wait, I'll show you. Here it is. So I covered the whole screen with a green color image, as you can see, and we will do the zoom effect in this video. To do that you need two footage. I will insert a footage. Wait. Let's take this. Let me unlink this video. We don't need the audio here, so drag it below wait, the green screen footage should be always on the upper part. Okay, here we have the green screen footage. So to do that you need to first remove the green part. To remove the green part, go to the effects panel, search for effect called ultra key. Here it is, this one. Drag it to your green screen footage and go to effects control here, effects panel, and go below. Then you will see the ultra key option here. So just click this pen tool and click on this green color. See the video below the green screen has been appeared here. Now you can customize more. There are more options. You can customize it on your own. You can adjust your footage to your liking or something. And yeah, here it is, the clip. For me it's the manual settings will go. Okay, there are matte cleaning, there are many things. You can experiment with all the effects on your own. To do the zoom effect, come to any point of the video where you want to zoom. Click on this watch icon and drag this slider to a point where you want the video to get fully zoomed. I want this point to be fully zoomed, so I take this slider and slide it up to till the end when the video gets fully displayed. So you can see it's slowly moving towards full screen. Nicely done. It was a very simple video, guys. You can use this trick in many types of videos. It is a very cool trick. It looks amazing and it is very simple to do. Thanks for watching this video, and I will post regular videos